Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where the fuse and the relays for the horn is located on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, guys. What you need to check if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So where you can expect to find the fuse and the relay for the horn on that generation GMC Sierra, guys. Let's explain now. Quick advice guys, 90% of the people do not know that you have many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra. That's okay. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video that people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. Today we're working a fuse box that's easy to get to. We need to open the hood. Lucky for us guys, you see on the driver's side now, that's the brake fluid reservoir. Right here you have a main engine fuse box. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, what we need to check here, let's zoom in a little bit, right? Here, that's a 2018 model fuse box. The 2014 through 17 may look a little bit different. Stay with us, we'll explain about it as well. For 2018 model, we need to check fuse number 48. We're talking about this 15M fuse right here. That's the one that you need to check. If you have a 2000 and, okay, let me see, that might be a better angle. 2014 through 2017, it's exactly the same fuse, 48. What about a relay? You don't have a relay. That functions practically as function of the body control module. So if you have problems with it, you may need to reset the body control module or check fuses and relays for the body control module as well. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.